increasing ad revenue with a custom search engine. Hey there, friends. One of the best AdSense monetization strategies that you can integrate into your AdSense sites is a custom search engine. An AdSense-powered search engine on your site will allow you to monetize search queries made by people looking for specific content. Adding a custom search engine to your AdSense sites is quite easy. You have to start on your AdSense dashboard, and from there, you'll have to click on the My Ads tab. Then you'll have to click on the Other Products option, and then to click on Get Started with AdSense for Search. Now click on the My Ads tab again, locate the search option, and click on it. Now click on New Custom Search Engine. Start by naming your new search engine in the name field. Now select what to search. You can either select to search the entire web or only sites I select. Now in the Keywords field, make sure to enter keywords that are relevant to the type of ads that you want to show to visitors using your custom search engine. You can use the Save Search option, enabled to filter sensitive content out of your custom search engine. Then you have to select your search engine's target territory, your site's target language, and search encoding. You can also enable or disable popular queries. You will also be able to set up custom channels to track your custom search engine's performance. You can also select where to show search results, to add your own logo image URL and your own logo destination URL, as well as the logo position. Once you are done customizing your new custom search engine, you will simply have to click on Save and Get Code. Copy your new custom search engine's code and go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu and click on Widgets. Now click on the Custom HTML widget and select the placement for your custom search engine. You should preferably place your new custom search engine on a top location, such as a header or on top of the content sidebar. In our case, we are going to select the content sidebar as our placement. Now click on Add Widget, name your custom search engine in the title field, and paste the code in the content field. Then click on Save and on Done. And that's it! You should now have a fully working custom search engine to monetize search queries made on your site.